What if I told you there's a star in our galaxy that's older than the universe itself? Sounds impossible, right? Because how can something exist before everything else? Yet this one star, known as the Methuselah Star, has puzzled scientists for decades. It seems to break the laws of physics, challenge the Big Bang Theory, and force us to rethink everything we know about the beginning of time. It all started when astronomers noticed a faint, fast-moving star in the constellation Libra, about 190 light-years away from Earth. Its official name is HD 140283, but because of its extreme age, scientists began calling it the Methuselah Star, after the oldest man mentioned in the Bible. When the Hubble Space Telescope measured its distance, brightness, and chemical composition, researchers were stunned. Calculations suggested the star was around 14.5 billion years old. The problem? The universe itself is only about 13.8 billion years old. That means this single star appeared to be hundreds of millions of years older than everything, older than time itself. But how can that be? Stars form after the Big Bang, not before. If the numbers were right, it meant something in our understanding of the cosmos was completely off. To make sense of this mystery, scientists started looking deeper into what makes Methuselah so unique. When a star forms, it's mostly made of hydrogen and helium, the two simplest elements that filled the early universe. Over billions of years, as stars live and die, they create heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, which spread into space and become part of new stars. So younger stars, like our Sun, have a lot of these heavier elements. But Methuselah is almost pure, nearly all hydrogen and helium, with almost no heavy elements at all. That means it must have formed extremely early, when the universe was still young and hadn't yet built up the complex elements found in later generations of stars. Even with all possible measurement errors accounted for, the Methuselah Star still seems incredibly ancient. One of the first stars ever to exist. If that's true, then why does it appear older than the universe? One explanation is that our estimates for the universe's age might be slightly off. Maybe the Big Bang happened earlier than we thought, or perhaps the methods used to measure cosmic expansion have small but significant errors. Another possibility is that the star's age calculations rely on assumptions that might not apply perfectly. Things like its distance, brightness, and chemical composition could slightly distort the results. But even with those corrections, Methuselah remains one of the oldest known objects in existence. It's not just a relic of the early universe, it's a living fossil, burning quietly for nearly 14 billion years. And here's the fascinating part. The Methuselah Star is moving extremely fast through space, traveling in the opposite direction of most stars in our galaxy. That means it might not even belong to the Milky Way at all. Scientists believe it could have originated from a smaller, ancient galaxy that was later absorbed by our own. If true, that means this star has survived multiple cosmic collisions, drifting across the universe since almost the dawn of time. So what does Methuselah really tell us? It's a reminder that the universe still holds secrets we can't fully explain. For all our technology and equations, there are still things that don't fit neatly into what we think we know. The Methuselah Star stands as a symbol of that mystery. A single ancient light burning in defiance of our understanding, older than it has any right to be. Maybe it's not truly older than the universe, but it's close enough to make us question the limits of what we call truth. Somewhere 190 light-years away, that star is still shining, a silent witness to the birth and evolution of everything we've ever known.